In this quick video, I'll show you how to stake Apecoin step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and you will gonna need to log in first. Then once you have logged in, go to earn here, click simple earn, and on the search bar here, type down Ape, and you can choose flexible staking, or you can lock your token for 10 days, 30 days, 60 days, or even 120 days. But for this video, we're going to choose flexible staking, and you can also see here the APR. Then click subscribe, and now you can type the amount of AP you want to stake, but make sure that it is zero point 0.1 and above, because you can see here the minimum amount should be 0.18. And for example, we're going to stake 0.58. You can see here the estimated interest per day and the interest distribution date. Click here and click confirm. And as you can see, the subscription is successful. And click. And if you want to view your holding, you can just click here. On the earn tab here, you will see the Apecoin that I have staked here. And if you have any questions about how to stake Apecoin, leave a comment below.